come open a $4 bag of groceries with me, okay? So, currently, I reside in the city of Boston, where you have this wonderful thing called Fair Foods, right? Fair Foods have $2 bags of groceries, specifically produce, okay? Produce. The other thing about Fair Foods is that usually everything that you get is in these bags, or you can like freehand it, and they're like $1 to $3 of picking options, unless you go to their physical location, and then they gonna have some freezers and refrigerators up front, and then you can get yourself a $26 steak for $5. So let me show you what's in these bags. We have one organic pineapple, okay? Then we have a 50-50 blend of baby spinach and organic spring mix. So that's just gonna give you everything you need for a salad. Then, because it was St. Patrick's Day a couple days ago, we have Irish soda bread. My mama gonna love that. Then we have cilantro or coriander, depending on where you're from. Then we have 6 onions. Okay. 2 poblano peppers, 1 cucumber, 2 zucchinis, 5 potatoes. Okay. Fair Foods bag, all of the things that I just showed you was $4. You see what I'm saying? And then on top of that, if you go to the physical location right up there by Forest Hills, you're gonna be able to have a whole array of options for you to pick for your refrigerator and cabinets. You heard me? Don't forget, y'all, cook good and look good all on the low. Okay, that's how it go.